Can you start a business like ours without a vinyl cutter? Well, in this video, we're gonna try to answer that question. Let's get started. And of course, the answer is yes, it is possible, although you're going to face some challenges when it comes to what products you can make and sell. And here the name of the game is outsourcing. In a few minutes, I will show you what products we outsource. But first, let's talk about what you need to get started. And the first thing that you need is a computer and a good software to make your designs. This might be the biggest expenses besides the heat press. Of course, if you decide to sell t-shirts and hoodies. This is the main software that we use to vector our images and to create our designs whenever we outsource, and it is CorelDRAW X6. This is the older version. The only downside about this software is that it can be a little pricey. This is the price that you can expect to pay around this time of the year. Depends on when you watch this video, the price might be a little different. Now, this is not the only option. There's another which is very popular. According to this page, these are like the main differences between CorelDRAW and Adobe Illustrator. Now, something that you must know is that we have never used Adobe Illustrator. And what I can understand from what I found online, CorelDRAW is better to vector images or even to use it with a vinyl cutter. Now, if you want to focus more on graphic designing or creating designs, like even printing materials, Adobe Illustrator might be the better option. Again, we have no clue. We've never used this software. Here we have a few products that we have outsourced recently. We got business cards, stickers, and they're all for 3 different companies. I'm gonna show you this one. This is the biggest order. This is exactly the amount of business cards that we have in this box. And just one side, the back is completely white, nothing on the back, and then the front. Very simple design. It only took me a few minutes since we had the free pick website to outsource images. That's where I was able to find the images. So it didn't really take that long. And this is one of the reasons why we love selling these business cards, because I mean, the investment is very minimum. This person gave us an idea. He sent us a few samples of what he wanted. He wanted the letters with the outline and then the 2 images. I sent him a few samples, and in the end, he went for this design. Next order, we only have 1,000 business cards, and the same with this person. She had an idea of what she was looking for. Actually, Luis is the one that made this design. She gave him all the details, the samples of what she was looking for, and I mean, really cool design, front and back. Next one, we have the smallest of all 3, and they are the stickers, almost the same size as the business cards, a little bit taller than that. These are exactly the measurements, so you get a better idea. I'm not really sure where they're gonna apply the stickers, but we got 60 of them. Something I noticed on the back of the small stickers, this is the company that makes the Oracle 651 vinyl. Now, before you start asking me about this material or the process of how to make small stickers using a digital printer or what type of vinyl should you use, we have no clue. We outsource these products. Remember that we do not own any digital printers, because we have got that question a lot about what type of vinyl should people use and stuff. Unfortunately, we have no clue because we only use the Oracle vinyls like the one we have here. I just want to actually show you that it is the same company that makes this vinyl. Guys, if you are liking this video, make sure you give us a like, subscribe, turn on your notifications. Remember that we have memberships if you want to support this channel. Now, if you are a premium member of our channel, this is what you can use. We have different tools that you can use. Once you become a member, and by doing this, you're going to be supporting our channel, which we always appreciate it. The first thing that you have to do, go to the join button and you will see all the options available for memberships. But if you want to use the tools that I'm going to cover, make sure to select the premium membership. Once you become a premium member, just go to the channel, the main page, and from there go to this section where it says post, and then from there just go to the very last post that we posted on our page, and then just click on the link, and from there it will take you to another screen where you can access all the tools that we have available. Now, if you are a gold member or a silver member, this is where you will also find the password to access your membership. Go to the same place, go to the main page, and then go to post and look for that post that shows the password. And you're going to have to do it a little differently though. You're going to have to go to our website, which is www.rdidecals.com, and from there you will go to the main page and then go to members login, and then you're going to select the type of membership and enter the password that you can find through our main page on YouTube under post. And then let's go back to the premium membership. From there we have the design frame, we got the decal calculator, t-shirt calculator, sign calculator. But for the tools that I'm going to talk about today, especially the to design business cards and stuff like that, I'm going to close these now that we do not need those. From there you go to the design frame, and here you can see many different options. I'm going to choose one. I'm not going to talk about every single one of them since we have different ones, but this is the one I wanted to show you, the business card maker, especially if you're just getting started and have no clue. We have some templates here. Just go to where it says card templates, and you can choose all different templates here. This makes it easier, and if you see the little lines, that's the safe zone. You have to make sure the design is all inside the lines. That way when you send to print the cards, the design is not outside exposed to the where they're going to cut the business cards from. That's what these little lines mean. But we have videos where we go more into details and how to use the tool and how to enter the text and all that. And even if you have a logo, you can bring it to the business cards and stuff like that. We have a lot of different options here, but that's not the only template. We have so many different ones. Once you become a premium member, you can access those to make it a lot easier, and we have more down here. Now I'm gonna go back to the design frame, and I want to show you another tool that I've been using, and I'm going to show you how to do the watermark generator. Once you design a logo and you want to make sure that you add your watermarks, I just went to that watermark generator, and then from there I'm gonna go to choose file. I already have a logo that I want to add the watermark to, and I'm gonna go ahead and select it. And then here you can enter, let's say I'm going to enter our website, and you can just type in whatever, or you can even use choose a file like a logo or something. But for this I'm just going to do our domain or website, and then from there I'm going to go here to generate watermark, and see our design is protected with the watermark. Once you have added that, then just go to download image, and it's going to download the image with the watermarks. Something that you have to make sure is that you add a like this one, the background is gray color, so you can see the little letters like the website. So if you are going to be using this, just keep that in mind. Make sure that you add a dark background, or you can probably change the color of the letters, so that's not a big deal. We also have like the decal calculator. We have talked about this in the past, where you can price your decals. We have the options here to whatever you paid for per square foot for the materials. Like let's say, I'm just going to give you an example, like $3. That's what we usually do, and then you can enter all the material that you're going to use, like feet, square foot. Let's just use 25 just as an example. And if you want to do like the labor per hour, let's say like here locally I have heard places they charge $150 hourly rate, but let's just say that we are going to do $120 per hour. And here you can just enter the hours, how long it's going to take you to finish a project. Let's say that you're going to take 4 hours, and then if you have to do like different layers of vinyl, if you have to work on very complicated surfaces, then you can add like a 5, even a 10% of complexity fee. And if you want to charge, let's say, a setup fee $40, and whatever additional fees you want to add, and even the tax, but I'm not going to add the tax for now, and I can calculate. And just to give you an idea, like I'm not really using any actual projects, but just to give you an idea of how we use the decal calculator. These are the tools that you can use if you are a premium member. And something that I want to mention is that these tools, like we keep updating them. The idea is to make them better every time. So whenever we come up with a different feature, we're just going to update the tools. So that's something to keep in mind. If you see any changes, it means that the tools are getting even better. Now I'm going to tell you how we sold these products. This customer's been with us for a long time. We have made t-shirts, hoodies, magnets, car decals, all kinds of different products, but this is the very first time that we sell the stickers. I went to our conversation that we had, and in case you are wondering where they're gonna apply these, and they told me they're gonna apply them on equipment like small machines and things like that. I got them through eBay. This was like the best option to get this product. The 1,000 business cards, we didn't really have to do much. Only had a small conversation with this lady. She was very interested in getting business cards. I mean, we explained what we do for a living. We sent her a few samples, and yeah, she was very pleased. That's why when you go out, try to have conversations. If you are into this kind of business, try to offer your services whenever possible. Back to the biggest order, the one that brought us more money. And the best part is that it was totally free since we advertise on Facebook. That's why we strongly recommend that you guys join the local groups like the garage sales and things like that. And the best part is that you don't have to pay for anything. So we try to advertise at least once a day. And yeah, so this is how the customer found us, through Facebook. Now, these are not the only products that we outsource. I'm talking about the business cards and the stickers, but we also outsource car magnets, yard signs, vinyl banners, all kinds of different products. That's why I strongly recommend that you guys go and check out our channel. Look for those videos where we show you step by step on how to outsource different products. If you like this video, make sure you give us a like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Remember that you can also get your materials and equipment through our website. That is www.rdidecals.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you until the next one.